What's good, YouTube? That's going to be a quick one. I just want to clarify something that I forgot to mention in my last video. So, as you see right here, we are in the Interactive Server program CS. And you see me in my last video, you see me do this. You see me add the HTTP client to the dependency injection container in the Interactive Server project. While actually, we never use this client directly in our server project, right? We actually just use it when I go here, look for the references. We use it in the UI project, in the weather API component. This one right here. This is where we use that thing and nowhere else. So basically, what you also could do, what would be a little bit cleaner in that case, would not do the dependency injection here in the Blazor server program, but have an extension method in the UI project, in the shared UI project, in this one right here, some sort of extension method that does this dependency injection right here, and you would then just call the extension method. So therefore, if you did it this way, you would spare the reference to the infrastructure project. It would be a little bit cleaner. You would only have the reference to the shared UI project. You would not have this reference. Everything would be a little bit cleaner. Now, the problem I have with that, and this is a debate that can go for hours and hours and hours, depending on how passionate people in your team are about that thing. The problem I have is when I go back to the HTTP, where is it? There's the client, and I go for the references, I see through the references that this thing is used in our Interactive Server program CS. I see it here. If I had the extension method that only is in the UI, I wouldn't see much from the references to this client, except it's used somewhere else explicitly, of course. But this, for me, the way I navigate code is a little bit more comfortable, a little bit less ambiguous if I see it right away this way. Again, this is a debate in the team. You just have to decide what's going to happen. And I just want to point this out, that for the sake of the demo, this one is good enough. But of course, and this is true for everything I do, there is always some sort of better way to do something than that I just show you here in the demo, okay? So I just want to point this out. I wish you all a lovely week. Bye-bye.